Yeah, not what is Pacific? That's specific, no? Pantangi. Yeah, proper. Yes. Okay. So now you at least have a very good idea that when you use kai and sa, there's a big difference, no? The kai is followed by a specific person. Okay? Okay? So, tungkol kay, Rabia Mateo is a specific person. Or, pangalang Pantangi. No? Okay. So, I hope you don't get confused with that anymore. Okay? Yeah, alright. So, the word sa, and let's say para sa, ayon sa, alinsunod sa, and the difference between para kay, ayon kay, and alinsunod kay. So that's a big difference there. Okay? And actually, it's easy to identify because the word kay is followed by a specific person o tiyak na pangalan. Okay? And sa ay sinusundan ng hindi tiyak na pangalan. Okay?